Hello, in front of me I've got a NEXTBASE Dashcam 622. In this video I'll show you how to attach it to front windshield. Actually it's very simple. Firstly you have to remove this cover before use. Thanks to this cover you've got access to your power supply that this holder has cable for. So basically you plug the power supply to holder and then connect it with the camera. Firstly, make sure to clean the front windshield in the place you are going to connect this. Now, this part also requires this holder. To connect them, simply fit those holes on these sticks and then push it like this. Now take out this cover, because this one is the sticky part you plug to the front windshield. Now when it's done, simply put it like this. This part is magnetic. And now you can plug your camera to front windshield. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.